From being a contestant hanggang sa pagiging coach, yan ang napagdaanan ni The Voice Kids coach Zach Tabudlo na ibinahagi ang kanyang journey. Narito ang aking chika. Full circles ang pagbabalik ni singer-songwriter Zach Tabudlo sa The Voice Kids. 2014 nang sumalang si Zach sa contest at na-eliminate sa second round. Ngayon, isa na siyang coach.
There's so much things that I went through as a musician and as an artist and as a person also. But yeah, I always pray for it, and you know, God always has a reason talaga for everything. It comes in time where you realize things po na kaya pala ginawa ni God to, kaya pala ganito yung nangyari. It all makes sense po in the end.
Sa pagsalang ni Zach sa GMA Integrated News Interviews, kung saan kasama ang iba pang coaches na sina Julian San Jose, Billy Crawford, and the Guico twins ng Ben and Ben na sina Paulo at Miguel. Inamin ng singer na may mga pinagdaanan siyang challenges habang lumalaki. Weird kid ang tawag niya sa sarili.
During that high school life, or like during those elementary days po, I wasn't super in with like groups of friends po. So I was usually alone. And I was always in sort of like this dream every day na parang I get to imagine different things when I listen to music. It's a bit weird, and that's why a lot of people, and I'm pretty sure my friends and like my classmates from before, they found me as this weird kid in school because I wasn't too much out there. I wasn't becoming friends with people then po. I was always alone.
Pero ito rin daw ang nagpatibay sa kanyang talento na ngayon nagpapahanga at nagbibigay inspirasyon sa maraming tao. Ngayon, Zach's heart is full. Mas nagiging makulay ang kanyang mundo kasama ang kanyang girlfriend na si Abigail.
Right now po, I'm in a very healthy relationship with my girlfriend. We're almost running 2 years. But yeah, the reason, actually, but honestly, like the reason why I've written all these songs is because of the heartbreaks and a lot of the failure of love that I went through for the past years.
And that's my Chika this Saturday night. Ako po si Nelson Canlas. Pia, Ivan.